Hello, I'm Kristi. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you how I put together a meal planner binder using the Dollar Tree materials that have been out recently. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you went ahead and done so. Feel free to look below in the description box. I will have information down there like my Instagram name. And here are the items I picked up. One of their binders, the monthly planner pages, the weekly planner pages, the note pages, and I just picked up the task pad. It's the smaller pages that you can insert, the tab dividers, and also the pocket dividers. There are several other products that I did not pick up, so just be on the lookout for those. I started out with the monthly planner pages. These are the pages that give you a look at the entire month. I just started out with 2 sheets so that when they connect, I have an entire month. That will be the month of June for me. Next, I wanted to insert the weekly planner pages. The weekly planner pages have bigger open spaces so that you can write down your meal plan for each individual day. So when you open it up, you'll have Monday through Sunday, and at the bottom you'll be able to add notes if you want. Once I added enough sheets for the weeks that are in that month, I start the process all over again and go to the monthly planner pages. I did pick up a package of the notepads that can be used in the binder. I like to insert these in different spots, some at the first of the week and some at the first of the month. That way, in case I need to jot anything down, I can, and then I can just tear it out. I didn't want to put them all because my plan is to keep my binder small and not really thick. So I'm only going to go with 2 months at a time. As I start inserting more pages and the binder gets thicker, I'm noticing what other people have talked about. At the very top and at the very bottom where the tabs are to open the rings of your binder, the pages seem just a little long and they bulge out. So stay tuned, and in a few seconds I'll show you what I did to alleviate that problem. Again, the notepad is just personal preference, so insert those anywhere you feel like you may need to take notes or anywhere you might just want to jot down your grocery list. I added one of the pocket folders at the very back of the binder. This could be for coupons, clipped recipes, anything that you plan on using in those 2 months. My next step is inserting tab dividers. I wanted to use the tab dividers to separate my months. The months that I am using in this planner are June and July. I inserted a divider at the end of the June weeks and the beginning of the July month. I decided to add several sheets of the task pad to the front of my binder. And I also added another tab divider, so now I have one at the beginning of June and one at the beginning of July. So here's the issue I'm talking about. These ends right here bulge out and it makes the pages hard to turn. If you just clip off the inside corners of all your sheets, it makes the transition when you turn your pages so much more simple. Nothing is getting caught on the binder tabs. I was also having issues with the tab dividers sticking out from the binder, and that was driving me a little crazy. So all I did to alleviate that problem was to trim off a section of the border. It's just this small section right here. Once it's trimmed off, then those tabs won't stick out from the binder. Dollar Tree also has the matching elastic bands. These are used to wrap around the binder and make sure that they stay securely closed. And here is a look at my binder when I am completely finished. Here are the sheets that I put in the front. I'm going to use them for exactly what they say, to post errands or appointments on, so that when I need to do those, they'll be right at the front of the book. Next, I have just one of the tab divider sheets. After that, I have the Just a Note notepads inserted. These will be for my grocery lists or things I need to pick up throughout the week. You can also pick up a set of 3 of the magnetic bookmarks. I use these so that it holds all these sheets together. I can go from my grocery list straight to my month. After my month at a glance starts my weeks. So here is my first week of meal planning. I highlight anything that is special for that day, like I have Father's Day already highlighted, so we're not sure if we're eating out or at home, and family game night. I already have my weeks filled out in case something comes up and I decide that I want a certain meal on a certain day. Then I begin the process all over again, starting with the divider tab and the note pages. You can see here I've added another one of the bookmarks just to hold the sheets together so that I can flip straight to my month at a glance, which is July. Then my weekly sheets again. I will highlight and put Independence Day here on the 4th because I'm sure we will be at a cookout and I won't need to cook that day or plan anything. I end it with one of the pocket folders, again for anything I may need to slip in there that I need throughout these 2 months, and also some extra note sheets. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out more videos. Till next time, bye.